Ministry of MSME, Government of India, is an apex body for promotion and development of micro, small, medium enterprises in our country. We are formulating various policies at apex level to develop these micro, small enterprises in our country. Recently, we have started strengthening industry institution interaction with an objective to focus on innovation in MSME sector. MSME Ministry is with now recently with GIZ INO program has been started, and now today in today's program uh, some they have signed some memorandum of understanding with various institutions. This is a one type of effort which we are putting. In addition to that, our existing schemes we are strengthening in such a way that innovation will be added into these schemes, and more innovative ideas, more innovations will be there instead of doing the routine work in existing schemes.
What is innovations aspects in the SMEs? What is main
In,
aspects of innovation?
innovation is primarily uh, required for development. As we have seen, without innovation in automobile sector like Hindustan Motors, due to lack of innovations, what is the result of that company? So innovation aspect is very important for not only for large scale industries, even for small scale industries. And for large scale industries, they have their own support systems for innovations. They hardly need any external support, or any even if required they can afford, they are capable to hire those type of things. But in case of micro small enterprises, it is difficult for them to have their own support system for innovation. So Ministry of MSME is devising our policies in such a way that a support system will be developed to provide this innovation support to these MSMEs. So this is the main aspect.
What are the takeaways for stakeholders from this program?
We expect from stakeholders of this program that they should come forward with some constructive proposals and give them to the ministry so that we can think about it. Our policymakers, our higher senior officers can think about it, and they can incorporate in coming these schemes, these various suggestions and their comments.